Hi everyone, I am Shivanarayan. Last session I am discussing about physical properties and chemical properties of fructose. Okay, in this session I am discussing about constitution of fructose or structural isolation of fructose. Okay, in this session I am discussing about constitution of fructose. Okay, constitution of fructose. The first point is on the basis of analytical data, the molecular formula of fructose is C6H12O6. Okay, on the basis of analytical data, the molecular formula of fructose is C6H12O6. Okay, the second important point. Fructose on acetylation with acetic anhydride to give pentaestate derivative. Okay, fructose on reacts with acetic anhydride in the presence of acetic medium to give pentaestate derivative. Okay, this reaction indicates that in fructose molecule having 5 hydroxy groups in different carbon atoms. Okay. Fructose, okay, this reaction, presence of 5 hydroxy groups, presence of 5 hydroxy groups. Okay, this is formula of fructose. Fructose on acetylation with acetic anhydride in the presence of acids, it gives pentaestate derivative, a stable pentaestate derivative. A stable pentaestate derivative. Okay, the stable pentaestate derivative indicates that the fructose molecule having 5 hydroxy groups in different carbon atoms. In case the 5 hydroxy groups are present in same carbon atoms, then it undergoes dehydration reactions. It doesn't give any pentaestate derivative. But fructose on reacts with acetic anhydride in the presence of acetic medium, it gives pentaestate derivative. It is a stable derivative. Okay, this reaction indicates that fructose molecule having 5 hydroxy groups. Okay, third important point is presence of carbonyl group. Okay, presence of carbonyl group. Okay, fructose on reacts with hydrogen cyanides, it gives cyanohydrates. Okay, fructose on reacts with hydrogen cyanide, it gives cyanohydrate. This reaction indicates that fructose molecule having carbonyl group. Okay, fructose again on reacts with hydroxylamine, it gives corresponding oxide. Okay, fructose on reacts with hydroxylamine to give oxide. Okay, this reaction also indicates that fructose molecule having carbonyl group. Okay, fructose on reacts with hydrogen cyanide gives cyanohydrate. Okay, fructose on reacts with hydroxylamine, fructose molecule having presence of carbonyl group, either it is a aldehyde or ketone, either it is a aldehydes or ketone. Okay, this two reactions indicates that the fructose molecule having carbonyl group, either it is a aldehyde or ketone. Okay, again fructose molecules on oxidation with nitric acid. Fructose molecule on oxidation with nitric acids, it gives different types of carboxylic acid. One is glycolic acids, another one is lactic acids, and finally it gives trihydroxyglutaric acids. Okay, the formation of three carboxylic acids, which indicates that fructose molecule having carbonyl group is ketone. Okay, the formation of three carboxylic acids, which indicates that in fructose molecule having carbonyl group, the carbonyl group must be keto group. Okay, fructose molecule on oxidation with nitric acid, nitric acid, it gives gluconic acid, tartaric acid, and trihydroxyglutaric acid, glycolic acid, tartaric acid, trihydroxyglutaric acids. Okay, fructose on oxidation with nitric acids to give glycolic acids, tartaric acids, and finally trihydroxyglutaric acids. Okay, the formation of glycolic acids indicates that fructose molecule having this type of group. Okay, fructose molecule having this type of group. Okay, the formation of glycolic acids indicates that fructose molecule must having this type of group. This indicates in fructose molecule the carbonyl group must be ketone at second positions. Okay, this reaction indicates that in fructose molecule having carbonyl group, the carbonyl group must be keto group present at second positions. Okay, the position of carbonyl group can be explained further reactions. Okay, this reaction indicates that in fructose molecule having carbonyl group, the carbonyl group must be ketones. Okay, in case molecule having this type of moiety, then it undergoes oxidation reactions, then it gives glycolic acids. Okay, the formation of glycolic acids indicates that fructose molecule having carbonyl group, the carbonyl group must be keto group. Okay, fifth important point is presence of straight chain. Presence of straight chain. Okay, fructose on the acid hydrogen cyanide to give cyanohydrin. Okay, the formed cyanohydrin on hydrolysis with dilute acids to give corresponding carboxylic acids. Okay, the carboxylic acids which on the acid hydrogenide in the presence of phosphorus undergoes oxidation reaction, then it gives 2-methyl hexanoic acid and NHC. Okay, first thing, fructose on the acid hydrogen cyanide, it gives cyanohydrin. Cyanohydrin. Okay, which on hydrolysis with dilute acids, again it gives carboxylic acids. Okay, the formed carboxylic acid on reacts with hydrogen iodide in the presence of phosphorus, it gives 2-methyl. It gives 2-methyl hexanoic acids. 2-methyl hexanoic acids and NHC. Okay, 2-methyl hexanoic acid. Okay, 2-methyl hexanoic acid and NHC. Okay, this reaction indicates that in fructose all carbon atoms are present in straight chain. Okay, this reaction indicates that in fructose all carbon atoms are present in straight chain. Okay, formation of N-hexane and 2-methyl hexanoic acid. Okay, the formation of 2-methyl hexanoic acid and NHCl indicates that in fructose molecule all carbon atoms are present in straight chain. From all about the points we consider, then we write the structure of fructose molecule is, we consider all about the points, we write the structure of fructose is structure of fructose is, okay, fructose molecule having 3 chiral centers, okay, then it produces 8 isomers. Okay, fructose molecule having 3 chiral centers, then it produces 8 isomers. Okay, this is the general structure of fructose. Okay, general open chain structure of fructose. Okay, in this structure you have 3 chiral centers. The hydroxy group present in either above the plane or below the plane. It produce 8 isomers. But which hydroxy group either above the plane or below the plane, it is confirmed that based on Wasson derivative. It is confirmed based on Wasson derivative. The open chain structure of fructose having 3 hydroxy group. 3 hydroxy groups present in either left side or right side. Okay, it can be either it is a left side or right side. It can be confirmed on the basis of Wasson derivative test. It is confirmed on the basis of Wasson derivative test because glucose on reacts with vinyl hydrogen, it produces glucosone. Okay, glucose on reacts with vinyl hydrogen, it utilizes the moles of vinyl hydrogen, then it produces glucosone. Okay, similarly, fructose on reacts with vinyl hydrogen, again it produces same structure of Wasson. That means glucose and fructose on reacts with vinyl hydrogen, it produces same Wassones. Okay, that indicates the configuration of C3 carbon and C4 carbon and C5 carbon and C6 carbons are similar in glucose and fructose. Okay, this reaction indicates that in glucose and fructose, the configuration of hydroxy groups in C3, C4, C5, C6 carbons are similar. Okay, it is confirmed on the basis of Wasdome derivative test. Okay, I write a chemical equation. Okay, this is fructose. This is glucose. Okay, glucose on the acid, 3 moles of phenyl hydrogen. Okay, 3 moles of phenyl hydrogen to give gives Wasdome. Gives Wasdome. Again, fructose on the acid, phenyl hydrogen, 3 moles, it gives same Wasdome. Okay, C3, C4, C5, C6. Okay, the formation of Wasdome indicates that in glucose and fructose, the configuration of hydroxy group at C3, C4, C5, C6 carbons are similar. Then this reaction indicates that in glucose and fructose, the configuration of hydroxy group at C3, C4, C5, C6 carbons are similar. Okay, based on these reactions, we write the structure of fructose is based on this reaction. I write the structure of fructose is the open chain structure of fructose is okay. Okay, this is open chain structure of fructose. Okay, the open chain structure of fructose also having some adjacents because fructose reacts with sodium bisulfate doesn't undergo any chemical reactions. And also fructose reacts with polyethylene doesn't undergo simply chemical reactions. Okay, these reactions indicates that in fructose molecule exists into ring structure, not in open chain structures. Okay, fructose also exhibit into meta-rotations. Okay, the meta-rotation of fructose indicates that the fructose molecule must exist into ring structure. In case the molecule exists into open chain structure, it doesn't undergo any meta-rotations. fructose molecule indicates that in fructose molecules must be existing to ring structure, either it is a pyramid structure or Peyronie structures. Okay, the existence of Peyronie and pyramid structures explained on the basis of Fisher projections and Haber projections. Okay, Fisher projections and Haber projections. Okay, this reaction indicates that the reaction of sodium bisulfate and 2,4-DNP reaction indicates that fructose molecule exists into ring structure, not in open chain structures. Okay, fructose also exists into Neutron rotation. Okay, the Neutron rotation which indicates that fructose molecule must exist into ring structures. Ring structures of fructose molecule. Okay, ring structures of fructose molecule. Okay, this is alpha D fructose. This is our projection of alpha D fructose. Our projection of alpha D fructose molecule. This Fisher projection of ring structure of alpha D fructose. This is our projection of alpha D fructose. Okay, in Fisher projection of alpha D fructose, the hydroxy group in right side. Okay, the CH2OH group present in left side. Okay, in half projection of alpha D fructose, the hydroxy present in below the plate and CH2OH group present in above the plate. In beta forms, the hydroxy and CH2OH groups are in different positions. The hydroxy group present in left side, and CH2OH group present in right side. In all projections, the hydroxy group present in above the plate and CH2OH group present in below the plate. This is the beta form of beta D fructose. Okay, this is beta D. Okay, in beta D fructose, the hydroxy present in left side and CH2OH group present in right side. In all projections, the hydroxy present in above the plate and CH2OH group present in below the plate. Okay, this is the Fisher and half projections of beta D fructose and alpha B fructose. Okay, fructose also exists into Peyronie structure. Both are Peyronie structures. Okay, both are pyramid structures. Fructose also exists into Peyronie structures. Fructose also exists into Peyronie structures. Okay, this is alpha form of Furano structure. Okay, this is alpha form of Furano structure. Okay, in alpha form Furano structures, the hydrogen present in right side, C2H present in left side. Okay, alpha form of half reactions Furano structure, the hydrogen present in middle plane and C2H present in above the plane. Okay, again the beta form of Furano structure of fructose is okay, the hydrogen present in left side and CH2 present in right side. Okay, the hydrogen present in above the plane and CH2 present in below the plane. Okay, this is the Furano structure of fructose molecule in beta form. Okay, generally fructose molecule exists two structures, two ring structures. One is pyramid structure, another one is Furano structure in alpha and beta forms. In monosaccharides, fructose molecule mostly exists into pyramid structure. In disaccharides, fructose molecule, sucrose, fructose molecule exists into Furano structures. Okay, in some other cases, fructose molecule exists into pyramid structure in monosaccharides. In disaccharides, fructose molecule exists into Furano structures. Okay, fructose molecule either exists into pyramid structure and Furano structure. Okay, these are the features and half positions of pyramid structures of fructose molecule and Furano structures of fructose molecule. Okay, this is the ring structures and structural installation of fructose molecule. Okay, in constitution of fructose, on the basis of analytic method, molecular formula is C6H12O6. Acylation reaction with conditional derivative, this indicates it having 5 hydroxyl groups. Okay, which on reacts with hydrogen cyanide, which indicates presence of keto group. Okay, fructose molecule on oxidation with nitric acids, it gives glycolic acid, tartaric acid and 3-hydroxyglutaric acid. This reaction indicates that molecule having keto group in second positions. Okay, next fructose molecules on oxidation with on reaction with hydrogen cyanide followed by hydrolysis and reduction reaction it gives 2-methyl hexanoic acid. This reaction also indicates that in fructose all carbon atoms are present in open chain structure. Okay, but fructose on reaction with sodium bisulfite and 2,4-DNP reactions doesn't undergo any chemical reactions. Okay, this reaction indicates that in fructose all carbon atoms present in ring structure, not in open chain structure. Okay, on the basis of points, we propose a ring structure by Fischer and Sahas projections. Fructose exists into two isomers, one in Furano structure and pyranose structures. The monosaccharides of fructose exist into pyranose structures and disaccharides of fructose exist into Furano structure. This is constitution of fructose or structural installation of fructose. Next time discussing about Wasstone derivative of glucose and fructose. Wasstone derivatives of glucose and fructose. Wasstone derivatives of glucose and fructose. Glucose and fructose molecules reacts with 3 moles of phenyl hydrogen to give Wasstone derivative. Okay, glucose reacts with 3 moles of phenyl hydrogen, it gives Wasstone derivative. Fructose also reacts with 3 moles of phenyl hydrogen, also it gives Wasstone derivative. Okay, both glucose and fructose, which are reacts with phenyl it gives same Wasdome derivative. Okay, reaction of Wasdome derivative. Reaction. Okay, this is glucose molecule. Glucose, some gas. 3 moles of phenyl hydrogen. It gives Wasdome derivative. Okay, fructose also reacts with 3 moles of phenyl hydrogen. This also gives same Wasdome derivative. Okay. Glucose on reacts with phenyl moles of phenyl hydrogen. Again it gives Wasdome derivative. Again fructose on reacts with 3 moles of phenyl hydrogen. Again also it gives same Wasdome derivatives. Okay, the formation of Wasdome derivatives indicates that in glucose and fructose, the C3, C4, C5, C6 carbon atoms having same configurations. C4, C3, C4, C5 and C6 carbon atoms having same configurations. Okay, glucose and fructose molecules which are reacts with 3 moles of phenyl hydrogen, it gives same Wasdome derivative. It is a stable solid derivative. Okay, this reaction indicates that the C3, C4, C5, C6 carbons of glucose and fructose having same configuration. Next I am discussing about mechanism of formation of Wasdome derivative. Mechanism of formation of Wasdome derivative. Okay, glucose molecule which are reacts with phenyl hydrogen. Condensation reaction takes place by the loss of 1 mole of water. Condensation reaction takes place by the loss of 1 mole of water. It gives hydrogen. Gives hydrogen. Okay, the form hydrogen on involves ionization reactions. Okay, this ionization reactions. Okay, the inner form of inner form which reacts with another mole of phenyl hydrogen. The inner form converts into keto form. Okay, the inner form converts into keto form. Okay, by using of another mole of phenyl hydrogen. Finally, the keto group again reacts with another mole of phenyl hydrogen. It gives Wasdome derivative. Okay, again gives vasodilation. In this reaction, 2 moles of phenyl hydrogen condense with carbonyl groups. 1 mole it leads to conversion of hydroxy group to keto group. Okay, both glucose and fructose gives same vasodilation derivative with 3 moles of phenyl hydrogen molecules. Okay, this test indicates that in glucose C3, C4, C5, C6 carbons are having same configurations. Okay, both glucose and fructose molecules are gives same vasodilation derivative. Okay, in case fructose molecule, okay, same example, by loss of 1 mole of water. It gives hydrogen derivative. So examples, inorganic reaction. Okay, it gives enols. Okay, the form enols, another more reaction, another more of hydrogen. Again, it converts into aldehyde. Finally, another mole of phenyl hydrogen can react with aldehyde group, then it gives vasodilation derivative. Okay, the mechanism is similar both to glucose and fructose molecules. Okay, glucose molecule can react with 3 moles of phenyl hydrogen, it gives vasodilation derivative. Similarly, fructose molecule which can react with 3 moles of phenyl hydrogen, again it gives vasodilation derivatives. Okay, both glucose and fructose molecule to produce a vasodilation derivative with 3 moles of phenyl hydrogen molecule. Next session, I am discussing about some other important conversions in monosaccharides, glucose and